In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an intake form on Monday.com. Imagine you're managing a team or running a business, and you want to streamline how you collect information from clients or team members. Monday.com, a versatile platform for managing work, offers a solution with customizable intake forms. Today, we'll navigate through the process of creating an intake form step by step. First, let's get started by heading to your Monday.com homepage. This is where all your workspaces and projects are displayed. It's your command center for everything happening in your teams and projects. On your main workspace, you're going to see a plus icon. This small symbol is essentially your gateway to adding new items to your workspace, including boards, which are critical for our task today. Boards on Monday.com help you organize and track all the information and tasks for your projects. Once you find that plus icon, hover your mouse over it. As you hover, you'll notice several options become available, but what we're interested in today is the option labeled Board. Clicking on Board is your first step into creating something new and customized for your needs. After clicking on Board, you'll see an option to start with a template. Templates on Monday.com are pre-designed structures that cater to various business needs and processes, including intake forms. Using a template can save a lot of time because it provides a framework that you can then customize according to your specific requirements. Now you're probably asking, how do I find the right template for an intake form? It's simple. In the template search bar, type in intake and press enter. This action will filter out the templates and show you options relevant to intake processes. Among the suggestions, look for the one titled Client Intake Form. This template is designed specifically for gathering information from clients, but can be customized for any kind of intake form. It's versatile and provides a great starting point for collecting data efficiently. Click on Client Intake Form to get a preview of what the template looks like. You'll see the different fields and structure it offers. Take a moment to envision how it can be adapted for your specific needs. Once you're convinced this is the right template for you, go ahead and click on Use Template. This action will create a new board based on the template, which you can then customize further, and voila, you've successfully set the foundation of your intake form on Monday.com. But this is just the beginning. The next steps involve customizing this template to match your exact needs, from adding specific questions you need answers to tweaking the design to match your brand. Remember, the power of Monday.com lies in its flexibility and customization options. You can add or remove fields, change the type of responses you're collecting, or even automate certain actions based on the responses received. Take advantage of these features to create an intake form that not only looks professional, but also works seamlessly to collect and organize the information you need. What's beautiful about using Monday.com for your intake forms is the ability to directly integrate this data into your workflow. As responses come in, you can set up automations to assign tasks, send notifications, or move projects to the next stage based on the information collected. It ensures that no client request or information falls through the cracks, making your process more efficient and your team more productive. We hope this walkthrough helps you understand how to create an intake form on Monday.com. Remember, the key is to start with the right template and then customize it to fit your needs. Don't forget to explore the various features and automations Monday.com offers to enhance your intake process further. Experiment with it, tweak it until it's just right, and see how much more streamlined your information collection process can become. If you have any more questions about using Monday.com or want to learn more tips and tricks for getting the most out of this powerful tool, stay tuned for our upcoming videos.